This is Kathy Driscoll from the Nature Foundation. Welcome to 22 Days to Earth Day. Today's activity will be Nature Journaling 101. So, why do we want a nature journal? Well, the goal behind nature journaling or field journaling is not to just make a pretty picture, but is to help us become more aware of our natural surroundings that we might otherwise overlook. It gives you a deeper and longer lasting relationship with nature. So how does nature journaling do that? Well, the first thing you need is a notebook. So this is my notebook. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It could be a composition notebook. It could be a fancy notebook. But the most important is that your journaling book is just for nature. Okay, don't use it for your grocery list or personal journaling. You're journaling just about your experience in nature. Next, set your goals. Why do you want to nature journal? Is it because you want to become a better naturalist? Do you want to learn to identify birds better, or plants, or animals? Do you want to have better mental health through nature journaling? So, first thing is to know what your goals are, and then the next thing you want to do is you apply the two fundamental strategies, and simply are. One is to field journal, which is more of journaling with detail. So you're in the field, you'll be journaling details. And then the second strategy is memory journaling, where you take back everything with you and you finish your journal at a later time, trying to use all of your memories, all of your senses as you're finishing your journal. Then you want to not focus on the product. Okay? You want to focus more on the process. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And then you also want to sketch with your mind's eye. Think about what you're seeing. Kind of just relax and be a part of it. And then just kind of focus on what your mind is seeing. It's your journal. Nobody's going to see it. And then lastly, think about everything that's happening around you. What was the weather like? Who's singing and making it very difficult to do this video? I've got the bird feeder right behind you. So the birds are like, come on, Kathy, finish up. Think about that. Think about the temperature as it's starting to increase. And just have like little notes along with all of that. Remember, the benefits, the real wonders of nature require you to look deeper. So come on, let's try it. So I'm actually observing a bird, which I've already started drawing, that's been frequenting my bird feeder, and thus has made it very difficult to do this video because he was entertaining me while I'm trying to entertain you. And so I sat down and I started sketching him in my maple tree, and I actually took a maple leaf, so I was looking at the details of the veins of the maple leaf and how the leaves are shaped. So I started with sketching with a pencil, and then I'm going to fill in the colors. So this little guy is an eastern towhee, and he has a brown chest along here. So I decided to go ahead and use some color. So I'm going to fill this in with the black, white, and brown. And I might even do some colors in my leaves to detail it. Again, we're in the field. So I added the date, the weather, which is gorgeous, and the time. And that's how we start our nature journaling. Okay, so this is my sketch from the field work. Once I get inside, I will add more information. So don't forget that you have to add detail to your nature journaling. And also to be a part of nature. Take the time while you can. Be sure to share your nature journaling with us, the Nature Foundation, on our Facebook page. We'd love to see what you have created.